What's up, YouTube? I'm Josh. This is another episode of Beard Meets Flavor. And deep down, I'm just a fat kid from California. So let me show you how to make some California burritos at home. Stick around. First thing we got to do is we're going to make our Pico De Gallo. Well, actually, first thing we got to do is marinate the meat. I already got it marinating. I'll leave a recipe for the marinade down below. But now we're going to make pico. We've done this 100 times. Chop a bunch of stuff, real fresh, bright, awesome. So I got 3 tomatoes. Come on, guys, all you. I got 1 medium onion. Come on, guys, all you. I got 1.5 jalapenos. Use more, use less, whatever you want. Use serranos. If you like hot, you can heat it up with some serranos. If you like it hotter, throw a habanero in there. Do whatever you want. That's the cool thing about what is this? Pico De Gallo? Because you can just do what you want. All right, so a little bit of garlic powder, about a teaspoon. We're gonna hit it with some nice fat pinch of salt, fat pinch of pepper. We're gonna go in there with a little bit of the Knorr chicken powder, probably about a teaspoon as well. This just has a little MSG, has a little umami. Then the juice of a lime. Okay. Got to get yourself one of these. Makes juicing lime. Oh, see, there's a squirter. All right, lime's juice. Now we're going to go ahead and stir. And with this stuff, you want to make it in advance because it'll give it time for all the flavors to kind of come together, wake up, open up. Okay, and that's it. I mean, outside of a few minutes of chopping, making Pico De Gallo is really easy. And it's a nice little addition to, any dish. Check that bad boy out. Yeah, baby. All right, we're gonna pop this in the fridge. We're gonna let it hang out and chill. We'll come back. We'll fry some fries. She's looking at me funny. I must have a boogie or something.
No, we're gonna get CPS called on this.
My kid's crying because he didn't get the exact number of hugs and kisses he needed to go to bed. So we'll take care of that. Anyways, we'll come back. We'll fry some fries. We'll make some guacamole. We'll make some steak. We'll make some burritos. Peace. It's guacamole time. All right, we got the mic now. All right, so I got 4 little baby avocados. Unfortunately, they weren't fantastic because, Albertsons, you really need to step up your game. Your cilantro was trash. Your avocados, not great. All right. So we got some guacamoles. Avocados. Why do I keep calling them guacamoles? All right, so I got half a jalapeno. We don't want to, Oh, you don't like that sound. Sorry. Nails on a chalkboard. All right, so I got half a jale. I'm going to do like a 1/4 red onion. And then this, believe it or not, is a whole head of cilantro because, like I said, Albertsons, you need to step up your game. And then, oh God, look, left over from the pico. And we're going to start with half a lump. We're going to just sprinkle a little bit of garlic powder. Now, avocados, they love salt, so we're going to do a couple nice pinches of salt, pinch of pepper, of course, that magic powder, chicken bouillon. All right, I'm going to smash these, mix it up, show you the finished product because the avocados are going to give me a run for my money. I'll be right back. Oh, hi there. So if you want to mash avocados into guacamole, you can use like a potato masher. I don't have one because I use a potato ricer because I'm super cool. But this little thing that you use to chop up meat is really good for, you know, smashing up the avocados and the guacamole. Look at this. Beautiful. Okay, so we're just going to give her a little tasty taste. Perfect. Absolutely, man. Get out of here, Chipotle. This is real guacamole. All right, what are you still doing here? We'll be right back. All right, kids. We're doing, you know, Chipotle sour cream. Yeah, but Josh, use that on everything. It's good. Deal with it. All right, so I'm going to mince these guys up. Look at that. Okay. Got him. All right, let's get rid of this. It's coming off the rails now. All right, sour cream. Just we're going to do a pinch of salt, pinch of lime juice. Get rid of that. Mix it up. You guys have seen this before. There you go. Chipotle sour cream.
See it again.
See it again. And you know what? You'll probably see it again. All right, next thing we're going to do is you're going to read the back of my shirt while I put that away. We're going to go ahead and throw some shoestring fries. You can fry them like regular. You can bake them. We're going to air fry them. Can't see any glasses. I'm going to dump these in there for a few minutes. Then we're going to go out to the grill, cook some steak. See you in a second. Okay. Ripping hot. Ow. Really ripping hot. I'm going to have bald arms. Okay. Throw that on there. Ooh, doggy. We'll see in a sec. Okay. First thing, we got a heated up tortilla. We're going to lay down some of the hell is this? Chipotle sour cream. Then we're going to lay down some cheese. This is Oaxaca, which is like a Mexican mozzarella. There we go. Found it. Okay. Then these beautiful pieces of skirt steak, or flank steak rather. The flank steak?
Flank steak.
Flank steak. Got to put the stank on it. Okay. Now that's a steaky burrito, baby. All right. Some fresh out the air fryer. Probably did, but you know. Probably overloaded. It's my one downfall. Everything else, absolutely perfect. I'm perfect. My one downfall is overloading burritos. Okay. Little waka waka.
No way it's closing.
Hey, you know what? No matter what you say, what they see on the other end will be a burrito closing. So talk all the trash you want. I'm still going to look like a hero through the magic. Let's go this way. Through the magic. It's not going to close. There's no way. I don't care. I didn't want these 2 fries anyways. 3 fries. Who's counting? Okay, doggy. Poke in the butt. Now we're gonna throw it on this we're gonna grill it. We'll come right back. We'll show you it. I'll eat it. It'll be great. Finally, we get to try these things. But if you stuck around this long, do us a favor, like, subscribe, consider telling a friend. Leave a comment down below. Let me know what you guys want to see us make. Or, if you love it, hate it, would do it differently, whatever. Anyways, let's go ahead and give this, prep the face here, give this bad boy a try. You want to give it one last gander? A little bit of earth dang. Okay. Should have gone heavier on the cheese. Should have done like a top layer. But you were making me nervous saying it wasn't going to close. All right, shut up and eat. Here we go. Let the beard meet the flavor. Mm. Mm. What's that? 15 minutes later. This reminds me of being in San Diego, where some of the best burritos are on the planet, I'd argue. Probably outside of Mexico, obviously. But this is phenomenal. The steak, you can really taste it. Super flavorful, savory. French fries add a nice texture, a little bit of crunch. The Pico De Gallo, super fresh, bright, little hint of spice. Really tastes like right off that first bite, you can really taste the chipotle sour cream. The guacamole is nice, creamy. I mean, how are you going to go wrong with that? I'll leave a recipe down below for all the different doodads that we made. Go make yourself some burritos. It's Saturday. You got time to go to the store to get this stuff, get the meat marinating. Tomorrow, come lunch, you can be a fat kid from California too. We'll see you on the next one.